Are you exploring your wagon, my love? Yeah, see? What do you do? You gonna buckle that? You know how to buckle? He's trying to. Let's see. Let's see. No, oh, almost. Good try though. Good try. Okay. Hey. Watching him exploring his own way. He's experimenting. Okay, buckle it. Wait, let's see. Ah, you get it. Push. Push more. Push. Push hard. You got it already. Push hard. You're almost there. Try, you're trying. Yee. You are exploring, no? You learn what Mama is doing. Yeah. That is the handle. I'm trying again. Okay. Okay, buckle it. Is it frustrating? Yeah. Okay. Okay, Gabe, what number this one? What number? What number? Yeah, what number is that? What number? What number? What number? Yeah, what number is it? Huh? You cannot see clearly when it's upside down. Okay. This way, this way. Okay. Okay, what number is it? Now you can see it clearly. What number is it? What number? Huh? What? What number? What number is it? Hey, he knows it, but